When you search for the best phono cartridges under $500, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually makes a difference in your sound quality, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Audio-Technica AT85 EP. The Audio-Technica AT85 EP caught my attention immediately with its sleek black design and a price tag of just $53.10. It's designed specifically for linear P-mount turntables, making it a solid choice if you're looking for clarity in your music. If you want a reliable cartridge that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.3x 0.7mm elliptical stylus means you get detailed sound reproduction, which is crucial for those classic vinyl records. The dual-moving magnet construction not only enhances sonic clarity but also provides wide channel separation, so you can really feel the depth in your music. And since it's compatible with P-mount turntables of any brand, installation is a breeze. With over 400 sold just this month, it's clear that many are loving this cartridge. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying it can be a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take your time and read the manual, it becomes manageable. It might be a deal breaker for those who want a plug-and-play experience, but it's a small price to pay for the sound quality you gain. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with vinyl and need an affordable yet reliable cartridge. Skip this one if you have a more advanced turntable setup that requires specific high-end features. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the Audio-Technica's installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Audio-Technica AT-VM95E. Next up is the Audio-Technica AT-VM95E, priced at $93.55. This dual-moving magnet cartridge caught my eye with its impressive specifications. If you're after a great balance of price and performance, this one deserves your attention. What's great about this cartridge is its 0.3x 0.7mm elliptical stylus, which promises clear, detailed sound reproduction. That means your records will sound more vibrant and full. The low-resonance polymer housing helps minimize unwanted vibrations, giving you a cleaner sound. With over 200 sold last month, it's gaining traction among vinyl enthusiasts. However, some users mention that it may take a bit of time to break in before it sounds its best. Here's the thing, this is pretty common with many cartridges, and once you give it some time, the sound really opens up. If you're someone who wants instant perfection, you might need to adjust your expectations. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid upgrade from a stock cartridge without spending a fortune. Skip this if you prefer a cartridge that delivers its best sound right out of the box. For the performance it offers, the price is more than justifiable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking an all-purpose cartridge. Product number 3, Audiophiles 2M Red. The Audiophiles 2M Red is next on our list, priced at $132.73. This one really stood out to me for its universal fit and reputation as an upgrade from stock cartridges. If you're serious about getting great sound from your records, this is one to consider. This is crucial if you want to feel the emotion in your music. The design fits most turntables, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it can be upgraded with an Audiophiles 2M Blue stylus when you're ready for even better quality. With 200 of these flying off the shelves recently, it's clear that many are making the switch to this cartridge. However, some users have pointed out that the sound can be a bit bright for certain music genres. Here's the thing though, a brighter sound can really shine through when listening to classical or jazz, but it might not be for everyone. If you're a fan of warmer tones, this might not be your ideal choice. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cartridge that can adapt to various music styles. Skip this if you lean towards warmer sounds and want something that caters to that preference. For the price and quality, it's an excellent investment. Now, if the Audiophiles brightness doesn't suit your taste, let's check out another solid option that might hit closer to home. Product number 4, Audio-Technica AT-VM95C, coming in at $68.25. The Audio-Technica AT-VM95C is our next pick, and it really impressed me with its features and affordability. If you want a quality cartridge that won't stretch your budget, this one is definitely worth a look. The 0.6mm conical stylus on this cartridge provides a warm, smooth sound that's perfect for those who love classic rock or soul music. With its aluminum cantilever and specially wound coils, you can expect a boost in output voltage. This means your records will come alive with every listen. Plus, the ease of mounting with just 2 screws makes it beginner-friendly, which is a major plus. With over 100 sold recently, it's clear that this cartridge is gaining popularity. However, there have been some complaints about it not handling sibilants as well as higher-end models. Here's the deal: while it may not perform perfectly with every genre, it still delivers solid sound for everyday listening. If you're a hardcore audiophile, you might want to look elsewhere, but for casual listening, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable cartridge that still sounds good. Skip this if you need top-tier performance for critical listening. For the price, it offers bang for your buck. Now, if you're looking for something a little more comprehensive, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5. Audio-Technica AT-VM95EH Combo. Last but not least is the Audio-Technica AT-VM95EH Turntable Headshell/Cartridge Combo Kit, priced at $136.51. This combo caught my eye because it offers both the cartridge and headshell, making it ideal for those setting up a new turntable. If you need a complete solution, this is worth checking out. The combo also features a universal 1/2 mount headshell, allowing for easy installation on various turntables. This means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues and can enjoy great sound right away. Many buyers are appreciating this convenience as it's sold over 100 times just last month. However, some users noted that the headshell may feel a bit flimsy compared to higher-end counterparts. Here's the thing: while it might not be the most durable, it still does its job well for casual use, and if you're not hauling it around frequently, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy setup for your turntable. Skip this if you're a serious audiophile who demands the absolute best materials. Considering you get both the cartridge and headshell for the price, it's a solid value. Alright, that wraps up my list of top phono cartridges under $500. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all bring something valuable to the table, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned vinyl lover. To recap, we've got the Audio-Technica AT-85EP for budget-friendly clarity, the AT-VM95E for excellent performance, the Ordophon 2M Red for versatility, the AT-VM95C for affordability, and the AT-VM95EH Combo for an all-in-one setup. Each of these cartridges offers something unique, so pick the one that suits your needs best. Happy listening.